Hello everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on the Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. And I hope you just watched Shambi before me. So today, I'm going to have a bit of a play with doing some white CA swipes in the background and a radial swipe transfer over the top. Let's see what happens. Experimenting is fun. Let's put some music on, Wombat. I'll be back, guys.
Midnight, and I'm lying wide awake. Your eyes give me chills in every way. Feels right, but it's driving me insane. Whoa. 'Cause I get shivers up down my spine, and I get fever inside my mind. Yeah, I've been trying to keep it all inside. But I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Yeah, you make me wake. It's like you're taking all my air and my oxygen. You make me sick, but you're the best kind of medicine. I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Oh no, did I tell you way too much? One touch, and my cheeks they start to flush. Don't stop, 'cause I wanna ride the rush. Whoa, 'cause I get shivers up down my spine, and I get fever inside my mind. Yeah, I've been trying to keep it all inside, but I can't breathe when you're right here next to me. Yeah, you make me wake. It's like you're taking all my air and my oxygen. You make me sick, but you're the best kind of medicine. I can't breathe when you're right here next to me.
You can dream in color, but I've been living gray. But ever since we have shared a cover, all my pictures saturate. But now I won't ever see the world the same again. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you. My focus is you. You can dream in color, but I've been living gray. But Ever since we had shared our cover, all my pictures are drawing. And now I won't ever see the world the same again. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you, love. It's not hard to choose, love. It all feels so new, love. You're pulling me through, I swear that it's true. My focus is you.
I saw your name light up my screen again. Thought I blocked the ghost, but here you stand. You say you've changed, like time can bend, but scars don't fade with second chance. You always talk in riddles, baby. Sweet poison in your kiss. I wore your love like armor, but you pulled me into this. Moonlight lies, dancing in the dark. You knew just how to break my heart.
through. In the fire I try to catch myself. Should I lay next to you? How can we fly if we never go? I wanna dive in the everglow. How can we live if we never know? Think I'm ready for your love. Think I'm ready for your love. With you I'll never stop. Think I'm ready for your love. In your atmosphere I tried to wait. I saw a change in me. Full of fear you wouldn't stay. Not gonna stop when love was deep. How can we fly if we never go? I wanna dive in the everglow. How can we live if we never know?
Alrighty, well that was a bit of an adventure. That was fun. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and I hope that close-up reel's picking up all these lines of colour. I'm going to have a bit more of a play with these because I like the white CA background with the black CA transfer over the top. I think them results sort of look kind of cool together. I hope you do too. And that's it for me, guys. So thanks for watching the Fluid Art Express for another week. We enjoyed your company. So take care, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.